Hi everyone, my name is Annie-France Bowker and I am the textile artist behind Woven. I started weaving 4.5 years ago when I was a fresh new mother and I was a bit lost looking for something to do with my hands, something that would make me feel more like myself. I saw weaving related posts on Instagram and I was like, you know what, this is what I want to be doing. So I bought a loom, I bought some yarn, a book, and I just fell in love. Being a very grounding and meditative process, weaving has really helped me balance the chaos of motherhood with everyday life. When I think of weaving and how it's been around for centuries, I can't help but feel so humbled to be practicing this beautiful craft and to be able to share my love for it with the world. So today in my workshop, I'll be teaching you how to weave a beautiful rug. I hope to see you there.